Fall in the Berkshires of western Massachusetts is a time of bounty, and no one knows this better than Paul Tawczynski, whose family owns and operates Taft Farm in Great Barrington. Paul not only raises his own crops, he also gathers sustenance from the natural world. Often joined by his daughters Corrie and Avery, he searches the nearby woods for edible mushrooms, which can be found in abundance if you know where to look. One of the prized finds at this time of year is the large hen-of-the-woods mushroom that often grows at the base of mature oak trees. And Paul has a delicious and simple recipe for cooking them that he calls boneless mushroom wings. Here's how he does it. And remember, before consuming wild mushrooms, make sure you've got the edible sort.
We're gonna make boneless mushroom wings.
Okay, let's see how you do it.
Very simple. So just a little bit of all-purpose flour, some nice local eggs, garlic powder, celery salt. This is a mixture of white pepper and coriander, paprika. This is a little bit of condensed chicken stock and whole milk. And now we add the mushrooms. Roll them around, get nice coating on all of them. Here we go.
Oh my gosh, there it is, the masterpiece. Wow, they really does look like pieces of chicken.
That's why we call them boneless mushroom wings.
Can I sample one?
Help yourself. We've got ranch and blue cheese. Ranch.
Okay, I'm gonna go with the ranch.
Good just on their own, but isn't that delicious? Go ahead, girls. Avery, use your fingers.
That is awesome, man. Oh, fresh out of the forest.
Absolutely. This is why we do what we do.
You know, so many parents nowadays, you've got to know where your kids are at all times. You don't know where they are. Oh my God, they're flipping out. Are they on their tablet, or are they on their Kindle? Are they on their iPhone? Being on a farm, I don't have to worry, because if I don't see my kids for a little while, they're out playing in the corn maze. They're out, playing in the stream, or they're out in the woods eating an apple, or catching a fish in the native stream. They're doing things that most kids don't get to do, and it's one of the reasons why I'll continue to work as hard as I do, so that they have this to pass on to their children someday, and hopefully they get the same appreciation for it that I have.
Thank you for watching. For more exclusive video content, including short films, episodes, and features, be sure to click the subscribe button and look for us on social media at Explorer New England Films.